Hey, yo, what's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. Your boy LC. Welcome to another episode of Heroes and Villains Collectibles, where we bring you all things superhero related, whether it's comic books or sideshow collectibles or Diamond Select statues. You name it, we're doing it. As you can see, finally got all four turtles together. Gonna do the unboxing. Check that out, man. 1/8 scale. Um, whatchamacallit from PCS. Check this out, man. This is cool as hell. I actually wanted to do the unboxing, all four turtles at the same time. I feel like that's how it should be done. You know what I mean? So I still gotta do, like, for instance, I still gotta do the unboxing to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle set from the 1990s. Still haven't done that. You know what I mean? And that's gonna be a big video. And to be honest, I'm gonna break it down. I might do just a video for the four turtles, heroes, and then the villains, something like that. Cause it's gonna be too long, so I'm gonna break that video down because it's gonna be crazy. But as you can see, bam, check that out. You know, I'm happy to have this in my collection. They look pretty cool. They actually look like the ones from, what is it? From the 1987 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So they look real cool, man. If you see my other videos, you've seen I was able to get these three. What is it? Raphael, Leonardo, and Donnie at the same time. And then I had to order Michelangelo because for some reason, you were sold out. But all right, guys, I don't want to take any more time. I want to go ahead and pop these open. I want to go ahead and start displaying them because these guys are cool as hell. And I'll go ahead and towards the end of the video, give you guys a close-up. And I'll probably shoot a picture so you guys can see a final display on how I'm going to be displaying them. All right? If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what's up. If you guys have this, if you guys like these statues, let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos. I got some more unboxing videos of statues you might want to check out. I did the Captain America versus Captain America, from Avengers Endgame. So you might want to check out that unboxing as well. I got some toy hunt videos and I got some trailer reactions. So check them out. Share, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think, all right? So, all right, guys. I don't want to waste up any more time. Got my handy dandy knife. And I'm going to start. Which one? Which one should it be? Which one? You know what? I'm going to go Mikey. You know what I mean? I'm going to go from top to bottom because that way, yeah. That's actually the order, top to bottom. We're going to go Mikey, Donnie, Ralphie, Leo. Michelangelo, Donatello, Raphael, Leonardo. Boom. Here we go. Check this out, guys. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the box. Artwork is pretty cool. Check this out. You can see them, don't worry. You guys see them much better out the box. Out the side. Take out right here. Right to the front. Alright? Alright, guys. So you just get to this one here. This is, well, besides the Q-Figs, if you see my unboxing of the Q-Figs, they're smaller statues, you know what I mean? Besides those that are smaller, this is like one of my official big statue unboxings that I've done. Because I was going to say this is like my first Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle unboxing, but realistically I did the Q-Figs. I like how they have them. They have them all strapped in. But the only thing that's not in the plastic, he's all in plastic. Even the back, the only thing that's not in his face. So. Oh. Tape up here. There you go. Wow. Man. It looks cool. Nice. This looks pretty cool. Alright? So, check it out. Give you guys a close up. Look at that. Look at the nunchucks. Look at the chain. That's pretty cool. Then he has the other one back here. Did this come out? I think it comes out. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna leave it like that. But I actually think this one comes out. And then, yeah. Yeah, look, I just put it towards his mouth. Bring it down. Yeah. So yeah, I could actually pose. I have both nunchucks, but no, I'd rather just keep it like that. He has the one back there. Keep it like that. Nice and simple. Don't want to do too much to it. All right, guys. So next one coming up is Donatello. Boom. Go ahead. Sure, it's gonna be just like the other ones. So, come out real quick. Doesn't even have tape. Nice. Nice. Cool. Check this out. That looks cool. It looks cool. Alright. So we got Michelangelo and we have Donatello. Okay. Yep. Alright guys. So we got Michelangelo, Donatello. Let's do the hothead. Raphael. Come on. I didn't even think I showed you a box of Donatello. But I just want to open these guys up already. So, Raphael. You know what's funny? I was just watching the movies, all three movies, to be honest. I haven't even seen it, especially part 3. Man, so long. But yeah, I was just watching all 3 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So I was all hopped up to do this. I'm like, man, I want to do the unboxing to these turtles already. And I'm like, man, what will get me motivated to just get to it? I put on the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movies and I was just on it. I just finished, part 3 just finished. So, just finished. Ooh, ready for the hothead. I like his side. Pointy. Check this out. looks cool right there. Yeah. And last but not least, my favorite turtle. This was my favorite turtle. Back in the days, I was Leonardo. Right here. When I first seen this movie in 1990. Even in the cartoons. You know, back in the, what? Back in the 80s, the 1987 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I was born in 81, so you already know. I was 6 years old. But Leo. Alright? The leader. That's what I was, man. I was Leonardo the whole time. So we get. You know what's funny, guys? You notice, look at this. Before I even open this guy, look, I just noticed something. I'm going to show you again. You have Donatello already had his nunchucks and got the other one right there behind him. You saw this. Something I just noticed. I'm going to show you something. You have Donatello with his bow staff. Right? Already. As soon as I took him out, he has it. Raphael. You see him with his side. Already. As soon as I took it out. Look at Leonardo. He's not holding his swords. His swords are on the side. He got one sword here, the other one is here. So he's the only turtle that doesn't come holding his weapon. So in that case, what that means is yep, I have to give him his swords. That's two. He has his hand out. You figure he's going that way. Yep. Right there. That looks about right. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. See, I actually had to put on his swords. But check them out. The back. What you guys think? The way he has his swords. Towards the end, like I said, I'll show you guys. I'll give you guys a close up, so you can see the turtles close up, and then I'll take a picture at the end so you guys can check them out. How he's gonna be displayed, how they're gonna be displayed. Okay. So real quick. Let me go ahead and check them out. Man. I believe, normally it would go like this. something like that. See them, right? All right. That looks pretty cool. They look pretty cool. They look awesome. I like these statues. I'll be honest, man. I thought they were smaller when I first seen them online and all that stuff. I thought they were smaller, but yeah, they're not. And when I seen them at the comic book store, I'm like, whoa, man. You know what I mean? So there you go. All right, guys. You guys have it. They look cool as hell. We're about to go ahead and do the close-up right now. That way you guys can check it out. And then you guys let me know what you think, okay? Let's do that now. All right, guys. So here we have them. Here we have them. PCS, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles PCS line. 1/8 scale. Check that out. Look how badass they look. Because of the ones in the back, their stands are taller. They go to the back. Donatello, Leonardo, their stands are shorter. Their stands are front. So you can see them perfectly. You know? Check out Donnie. And I love that. I love when they have the letters. Just like I said, like the 1987's Ninja Turtles. They got Leonardo. Check out Raphael. Sai. The R. Mikey. There we go. Booyah. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Let me know if you guys have these. If you don't have these, you know, I'm happy to have these. I really thought they were smaller, but I was wrong. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. All right, guys. So there you have it. This has been the unboxing of the, what is it, PCS Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. As you can see, got all 4 turtles. And looks like also I can't have the good guys without the bad guys, I'll be honest. So they did come out with, it's on, everything's on pre-order, but they have a Shredder. They have the, for the same line, the Shredder. They have the Crane, and they have the Rocksteady and Bebop. So you have 4 against 4, you know. So I'm gonna have to get those as well, same size as you can see. So that's pretty cool, man. I'm happy. So all right, guys, I'm gonna leave the video. I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Make sure to share, like, subscribe. We're trying to work our way up to the 100 subscribers. We got the 100 subscriber giveaway, which is the Infinity Saga, Avengers Infinity Saga playing cards. So, which I have to do a video on that as well. I gotta do a whole separate video. I got a whole pack I gotta open up, show you guys. So, you guys wanna see that, let me know, comment below. But that is also the 100 giveaway. Trying to work our way up all the way to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, which is the Diamond Select X23. So, all right, guys, leaving the video here. Make sure about that. Got a lot more videos coming. Got to do the unboxing of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles from the 90s. Got the Shredder, got the Foot Clan, got the Splinter and Shredder 2-pack. We got the NECA diorama that I gotta build. I'm gonna film that, and I gotta build that for the turtles. I mean, there's a lot. So make sure to stay tuned, share, like, subscribe, and drop me a comment. Let me know what's up, man. Let me know what you think about my content. You know, I'm trying. You know, trying to work my way up. I'm having fun doing these videos, so it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys, this has been another episode of Heroes and Villains Collectibles. I'm your boy LC. Until next time, cowabunga, dudes.